Hello everyone, my name is Shannon Roberts and this is my lighting final project for fall 2021. The lighting goal for this open concept living space is to create adequate illumination for task, ambiance, and accent purposes. This is achieved by using recessed lighting, pendant lighting, accent lighting, and switch plugs for lamps to create one harmonious, beautifully lit home. We begin by the lighting plan itself. We can see it's an open concept living space with the kitchen flowing into the dining area, which then leads into the great room. So light will expand from one place to the other. Recessed lighting has been placed around the perimeter of each room to ensure adequate illumination for safety purposes and illumination for general day-to-day living. We then start building in lighting by adding pendant lighting over the island to create task lighting for work surfaces and eating purposes. Also, a large pendant has been added over the dining table to create adequate lighting for dining and or work spaces. Over the sink, we also have one more task lighting to provide illumination for prep work at the sink area as well. These are all switched on main on switches located at different parts of the room. So depending on where you enter into the room, you can also turn on a light and always have a light handy should you be entering into a dark room. The same can be said for the living room, great room as well. Recessed lighting throughout the perimeter of the room. These are all switched at entrances to the room, so you always have light instantaneously by the flick of a switch. We have placed a large center pendant over the main living area and seating area to provide dimmable light over the conversation area. Switched plugs are also in place for lamps should they choose to be utilized to add in yet another layer of lighting. Accent lighting by the way of elongated sconces are over the built-ins to provide ambient lighting and some soft lighting upon the contents of the bookcases. In the foyer area, we've also added another pendant, smaller, as well as two recessed lightings so that you can immediately turn on a light once you enter into the main entrance of the home. All these add up to a beautifully lit space with different heights, different wattages, and different feels for the different purposes required by modern day living in today's world. Selections for the actual fixtures vary. This is a Piatto medium pendant from Visual Comfort. These are the selections for the island lighting, and you can see they're very modern in feel and provide a nice directional light for task at the island. This is the Franca Small pivoting chandelier from Visual Comfort as well. This will go over the dining table to provide a bit of a fun look and also provide some nice lighting for the dining area as well. Sink area. This is a small adjustable light, meaning that can pivot up and down should the user choose to do so, and can provide nice task lighting for purposes such as washing dishes or prep work for food at the sink area. This is actually a flat recessed lighting built in all in one, and it provides nice light that is close and nearly flush to the ceiling for all the recessed lightings in the space. And these would go throughout the kitchen as well as the great room. The Barrett 24-inch picture light will go over the bookcases, the built-ins in the great room, providing nice illumination for the contents of the space, and the contents of the bookcases, as well as provide nice ambient lighting for the rest of the room if more of the lights are actually turned off. And this would be our main centerpiece lighting for the great room. This is Casoria large two-tier chandelier. It's quite large. It's 42 inches and a quarter in width, and the height is 23 inches and 23.75 inches. This will provide nice dimmable light and create a great focal point for the space and be a nice wow factor. And this, again, going back to the lighting plan, shows the directionality of all the lights that we have sourced. Um, it's a beautifully lit space, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys for a great semester, and I hope to see you in the future.